After having a baby, your body needs time and support to heal. Belly binding is a gentle way to help your tummy, back, and core feel more supported. It can also help you feel more comfortable and stable as your body recovers. This guide will show you how to wrap your belly step by step in a safe and simple way. Before you start binding, make sure to empty your bladder, so you are comfortable throughout the process. Then take and unwrap your entire wrap. Take one end of the wrap and begin wrapping it around the bottom of your hips or waist. It may feel like it is primarily sitting on your butt. Make sure the shorter part of the wrap is touching the ground. Bring your short piece underneath the long one and wrap it around twice. Throw the short piece over your shoulder and hold it in place. Then, take the long part of the wrap and pull it around your waist again, layering it over the previous section. Next, take the short end and wrap it once more underneath the long piece, then bring it back up and over your shoulder. Now wrap it again around your backside, slightly shift each wrap higher. Repeat this process carefully, making sure you are gradually moving upward along your belly toward the ribcage. Each layer should overlap slightly, creating a firm but comfortable compression. Ensure the wrap sits just underneath your breasts and fully covers your torso. Continue wrapping in this upward motion until you reach the end of the fabric at your side. Then, tuck in the short piece of the wrap and bring the remaining cloth around the back to tuck it in securely. After finishing the wrap, move around and sit down to check for comfort and fit. A postpartum belly band helps support your tummy and lower back as your body heals. It can also make you feel more stable and comfortable during recovery. The Chongafei 3-in-1 Postpartum Belly Wrap supports your tummy, waist, and pelvis for faster recovery. It helps reduce swelling and improve posture while keeping you comfortable. This wrap also helps restore your uterus to its original size and gives you a slimmer appearance. By following these steps, you will easily bind your belly and feel supported during your postpartum recovery. The wrap helps you move comfortably, improve posture, and gives your body the stability it needs as it heals.